Understanding good for you in English. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning session. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, good for you. It's a common phrase in English, but its meaning can vary depending on the context. Let's dive into its meanings and how to use it effectively in conversations. Good for you literally means that something is beneficial or positive for a person. It's often used when something has a positive impact on someone's health, well-being, or situation. For example, eating vegetables is good for you. Often, good for you is used to congratulate someone or to express approval. It's like saying, well done, or I'm happy for you. For instance, if someone says, I just got a promotion at work, you might respond with, good for you. That's great news. Be aware that good for you can also be used sarcastically. In this context, it doesn't mean genuine congratulations. Instead, it's used to express indifference or even mild annoyance. The tone of voice is crucial here. For example, if someone boasts too much, a sarcastic reply might be, oh, good for you. There are variations of this phrase, like, good on you, or good for him, her. These are used in similar ways, but tailored to different subjects. It's also akin to phrases like, well done, or that's great. In conclusion, good for you is a versatile phrase in English. It can express genuine congratulations, personal benefits, or even sarcasm, depending on the context and tone. Understanding these nuances will help you use it appropriately in conversations. I hope this video has been enlightening, and I wish you the best in your English language journey.